12a, question number 1a, this one. So dy by dx equal 4x cube. You can write then plus, make sure that you see minus here, put a bracket, minus x minus 1, x minus 2. X minus differentiation is minus 1, x minus 1 minus 1. X and differentiation is n x n minus 1. So what is n here now? Minus 1. And x and n here minus 1 minus 1. So dy by dx is 4x cube plus times minus x minus 2. So dy, this is number 2. 2 times 5x, 5 minus 1, 3 times so 5 times 2, 10x4 plus minus 2 times 3 minus 6 x minus 3. So 3x minus 2 differentiation is 3 as it is, then minus 2 n x n minus 1. So 3 times minus x minus 3. So this is going to be 10x4 minus 6x minus 3. Part 3c dy over dx equal 6 3 over 2x 3 2 minus 1 plus 2 half x half minus 1 plus 0. So this is going to be 9x half plus x minus half. I think this is minus, so I have to rework. Yeah, 6 3 over 2x 3 over 2 minus 1 2 minus half x minus half minus 1 plus 0. So this is going to be 9x half, 2 to 2 cancel out, minus x minus half. Question number 2, part 1. If x is given, we want to find the gradient at this point. It means we want f dash x at x equal minus 1. Basically f dash minus 1. So we'll work first of all f dash x 2x minus 3. Then f dash minus 1 is 2 times minus 1 3. So this is minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Sorry again, this value has to be x cube. My eyesight sometimes not good. This is x cube, then f dash x is 3x square minus 3 plus 0. which is f dash x is 3x square minus 3, then f dash minus 1, 3 minus 1 square minus 3. So this is going to be 3 times 1 minus 3, 3 minus 3, 0. What do you think about this point? Gradient is 0, it has to be minimum, or it has to be maximum, or it has to be point of inflection. You will learn. We want to find the gradient to this curve at this point. It means we want to find f dash x value at x equal to, basically, f dash 2 we want to evaluate. So first of all, find x dash x. This is going to be 3x square plus 2 times minus 1 x minus 1 minus 1. 3x square minus 2x minus 2. So this is f dash x. Now f dash 2 will find 3 2 square minus 2 times okay, 2 minus 2. 3 times 4 minus 2 times 2 minus 2 means 1 over 2 square. This is 12 minus 2 over 4. It means 12 minus half. So this is 12. When you take half out, this is 11.5. So f dash 2 is 11.5. So gradient at 213 point is 11.5. 3a, question number. So we want to find the gradient is 0. The x value where the gradient is 0. Now we have a curve, right? The gradient is 0. We want to find this x value. Yeah, gradient is 0 mean f dash x is 0. So first of all, let's find f dash x. F dash x is 2x minus 5 at gradient 0, f dash x equal 0, then 2x minus 5 equal 0. F dash has to be 0, so x equal 5 over 2, which is 2.5. So I know now x value is 5 over 2 or 2.5. This curve is y equal x square minus 5x. Then I have 1, 2.5 x value. I want to find the y value. We'll substitute here. Y equal 5 over 2 square minus 5 times 5 over 2. So this is going to be 25 over 4. This is 25 over 2. Then this is multiplied by 2 up and down, denominator and numerator, to make 4. So this is going to be 25 minus 50 over 4. This is minus 25 over 4. It means minus 6.25. So the y value is minus 6.25. And that is B. So f dash x is going to be 3x 3x square 18x plus 24. This is 0. at when gradient is 0, f dash x equals 0. So 3x square minus 18x plus 24, which is f dash x, has to be 0. I think I can divide by 3, x square minus 6x plus 8 equal 0. So x minus and x minus 2 equals 0, x equal 4 or x equal 2. It means there are two places you can see that f dash x equal 0. Two places in the same curve. Right, let's see, this is x equal 2 and this is x equal 4. Now this is 2, I need to find y. This is 4, I need to find y value. So we can find y value here. F2 equal, not dash, right? 2 cube 9 2 square plus 24 times 2 minus 40. So this is 0. So the y value is 0. When x equal 4, f4, 4 cube 9 4 square plus 24 times 4 minus 20. So this is going to be minus 4. So this is going to be 4 comma minus 4. So on those points, dy by dx or f dash x equals 0. dy by dx or f dash x equals 0. Let's see. So f dash x equals 3 over 2x, 3 over 2 minus 1 minus 6. So this is 3 over 2x half minus 6. When gradient is 0, f dash x is 0, then 3 over 2x half minus 6 equals 0. So x half is 12 over 3. 3 over 2x half is 6, cross multiply. So x half is 12 over 3, which is 4. So square root x is 4, x is 16. You have to square both sides, so x is 16. At x equals 16, f dash x is 0. Now we want to find the y value. We have the x value. Now we want to find the relevant y value. So we'll take to this one, f16 we want, not f dash, f 16, 3 over 2, 6 times 16 plus 1. 16 half, can I write like this? Minus 96 plus 1. So this is 16 square root is 16 half. 16 square root 16 is 4. 4 to the power 3, 96 plus 1. So this is 64. 96 plus 1, 95. So answer is going to be minus 31. So this one is minus 31. X minus 1 for x. f dash x is minus 1 x minus 2 plus 4. This is minus 1 x square plus 4. So f dash x at when gradient is 0, f dash x equal to 0. So minus 1 square equal 4 plus 4 equals 0. It means 1 over x square equal 4. I'll bring to other side. So 1 over, so it means x square equal 1 over 4. So 1 over x square, so 4 over 1 cos 4 down, x square up. So x square equal 1 over 4. So when you take square root, so x equal 1 over 4 square root plus 4 minus half. Now we have two places. When x equal half also f dash x is 0, and when x equal minus half also f dash x equals 0. Right now we need to find x equal minus half, what is the y value, and x equal half, what is the y value. So we are going to use this one, fx equal x minus 1 plus 4x. When x equal minus half, so f minus half to the power minus 1 4 times minus half. So this is, I can write 1 over minus half to the power 1. I make it positive, and this is going to be minus 2. So this is going to be minus 1 over 1 over 2. It means this is become 2 minus 2 is 0. So this is minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. So this is minus 4. Now when x equal half, so this is going to be half a minus 1 plus 4 times half. So this is plus 2. This is 1 over 1 half. It means 2 plus 2 is 4. So when it is half, it is 4. In here I use, we know that if I have a 3 minus 2, I can write 3 square. Likewise, if I have half a minus 1, I can write 1 over half a positive 1. Number 4, a y equal to square root x, or y equal to x half. So dy over dx is 2 times half a x half a minus 1. So this 2 to 2 cancel out. So x minus half is final answer. You can write 1 over x root x as well. B, y equal 3x x square, which is 3x minus 2. So dy over dx is 3 times minus 2 times x minus 2 minus 1. So this is going to be minus 6x minus 3. And C, y equal third x 3. So this is y equal third x minus 3. So then dy over dx is 1 third bracket minus 3 x minus 3 minus 1. So this is minus 3 over 3 x minus 4. This is cancel out minus x4, which is 1 minus 1 over x to the power 4. Now dy over dx is, okay, before that I had simplified. Y equal, explain this, 1 over x4 minus 2 over 3 x cube. Now we can do dy over dx is 1/3 4x 4 minus 1 2/3 3 x 3 minus 1. So this is going to be 4 over 3x3, and this is 3 to 3 cancel out, minus 2 x square. Question E. This is 2x to the power minus 3 plus x half. So dy over dx is 2 minus 3 x minus 3 minus 1 plus half x half minus 1. So minus 6x minus 4 plus half x minus half. So this is minus 6 over x4 plus half times 1 over x half. So minus 6x over 4 plus 1 over 2x half. So y over x 1/3, and I can make half a times 1x. So 1 over x, I can write x to the power minus 1. So then dy by dx is 1/3 x 1/3 minus 1 plus half half minus 1 times x minus 1 minus 1. So this is 1/3 x minus 2 over 3. This is going to be minus half x minus 2. So this is going to be 1 over 3 x2 over 3 and 1 over 2x square. Y equal to x plus over 3x. So this is 2x over x plus 3 over x. This is cancel out. 2 plus 3 over x. So dy over dx is 2 differentiate 0. 2 plus 3 times x to the power minus 1. I'll bring x up. Minus 1 x minus 1 minus 1. So the answer is minus x minus 2, which is minus 1 over x square. I think I missed out 3. The 3 has to be here, then 3, and then 3. So this is 3x square, x over minus 6 over x. This is 6 times x minus 1. So dy over dx is 3x differentiate 3. This is 1. 3 1 x 1 minus 1 minus 6 times minus 1 x minus 1 minus 1. So this is 3x0. This is going to be plus minus times plus x minus 2. So dy this x0 is 1, 3 plus 6 over x square. This is equal to x cube x half plus 3x over x half. So this is going to be 2x cube minus half plus, this is 1, 3x 1 x minus half. This is, let me write like this, the x minus half. So this will end up with 2x 3 minus half plus 3x1 minus half, because when multiply their side adding. So this is 2x 3 minus half mean 2.5. This mean I can write 5 over 2 as a fraction. This is 3, 1 minus half mean half. So this is half. So finally y equal 2x 5 over 2 plus 3x half. You can see that now this is 3. 3 take away zero point 0.5, 2.5. This is 1. 1 take away half, half. I mean half. So dy over dx is 2 pi by 2 x pi by 2 minus 1 plus 3 half n x n minus 1. So this is cancelled out. 5x 2 and half minus 1, 3 over 2. This is 3 over 2 x minus half. 5x 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2x half. J, y equal this one, so y equal, I expand this one, x cube x square plus 2x. So dy by dx is, this is 3x 3 minus 1, then 2x 2 minus 1 plus 2 times 1x 1 minus 1. So this is 3x square, this is 2x plus, this is become 0, 2. Y equal 3x4 plus 6x cubed, 3 times 2x cubed. So dy over dx is 3, 4, x4 minus 1, 6, x 3 minus 6, 3, x 3 minus 1, 12x cubed plus 18x squared. Question number 5. We want to find the gradient of this point. First of all, find the gradient of any point. I need to simplify this one, x square plus x. So f dash x equal 2x plus 1. Now, there is no y here, only I need x. So at x equals 0, f dash 0 is 2 times 0 plus 1 equal 1. Uh, Gradient at 0, 0 is 1. So we want to find gradient at this point, this place. So fx equal 2x over x square minus 6 over x square. So this is going to be 2 over x minus 6 over x square, which is 2x minus 1 minus 6x minus 2. So fx equal, I rewrite here, 2x minus 1, 6x minus 2. So then f dash x equal 2 minus 1x minus 1 minus 1, 6 minus 2x minus 2 minus 1. So this is going to be minus 2x minus 2, and this is going to be plus 12, 6 times x minus, and x minus 3. Now f dash x. So this is going to be minus 2 over x square plus 12 over x cube. At x equal 3, f dash 3 equal minus 2 over 3 square plus 12 over 3 cube. So this is minus 2 over 9 plus 12 over 27. Answer is 2 over 9. Next one is C. Fx is, it's clear, fx is x minus half, because then f dash x is minus half x minus half minus 1, which is minus half x minus 3 over 2, which is minus 1 2x 3 over 2. Now at x equal 1 over 4, this is 1 over 4 equal minus 1 2 1 over 4 3 over 2. So minus 1 2 times 1 over 4 half a times 3, which is minus, this is a square root, 1 over 4 square root, this is 2 times 1 over 2 to the power cube. So then this is going to be minus 1 over 2 over 1 over 8. So minus 1 over 1 over 4, which is minus 4. 1 over 4 square root, half, that is half. That's why it is half. Then half a times 3. It means 1, 3, 2, 3. 1 over 8. So 2 over 1 over 8, 2 to 2 cancel out, 1 over 4. So this is fx equal 3x minus 4x minus 2. So f dash x equal 3 times 1x 1 minus 1, 4 times minus 2 n x n minus 1. So this is going to be 3 plus 8x minus 3. So 3 8x over 3. At x equal to f dash 2. Dash 2 equal 3 plus 8 over 2 to the power 3. So 3 plus 8 over 8. 3 plus 1 equal 4. Question number 6. F dash 2 equal C3. This is the equation. If you can find f dash 2 is fine. What is f dash 2 mean? It means f dash x is the gradient of any point at x equal to, which is f dash 2, the gradient is 3. That is the meaning of it. So what we need to do now, this equation is enough. I want to find f dash 2 and substitute here. So first of all I want to f dash x, and then I want to put x equal to that one. So we'll work out fx equal, we'll simplify, p is a constant little bit, so minus half plus x. So f dash x equal 12 over p minus half a times x minus half a minus 1 plus this is going to be x. So this is going to be denominator, so this is going to be f dash x equal 12 minus 12 over 2p x minus 3 over 2 plus 1. So this is going to be f dash x equal, this is going to be minus 6 over p x minus 3 over 2. I'll bring this one to positive, 1 over x 3 over 2 plus 1. Now this f dash x at x equal to f dash 2 equal 6 over p. So this is going to be 2 to the power 3 over 2 plus 1. What is 2 to the power 3 over 2? Now you know this f dash 2 is 3. So I'll write here 3 equal minus 6 over p, 1 over 2, 3 over 2 plus 1. So this is come 3 minus 1, it will become 2 over minus 6 over p, 2 times 3 over 2. So this is 1. I'll bring p up and 2 down. So p equal minus 6. 2 to the power 1. 2 means 2 to the power 1 times 2 to the power 3 over 2. So minus 6 times 2 to the power. This is going to be 3 over 2 plus 1. 5 over 2. This 2 to the power 5 over 2 we can solve two ways. One is 2 to the power 5 half. Still this will give 4. 2 to the power half times 5. I think this is much better. So 2 to the power of 5 means 32. 32 half. It means square root 32. Square root 32 means 16 times 2. It means 4 times square root 2. So basically p equal minus 6 4 times square root 2. So this is going to be 2 to 2. So minus 3 over 2 minus 3 over square root 2. Sorry, this is 2 square root 2. This is 2. 2 square root 2. If you rationalize, you can see get minus 3 over 4 to square root 2. Question number 7. 2 minus x to the power 9. So this is 2 plus minus x to the power 9. So we are going to use binomial. So 9c0 to 9 minus x to the power 0. Addition is 9. Then 9c1 to 8 minus x to the power 1. 9c2 to 7 minus x square. Addition is 9 plus dot dot. So this is 1. So this is 2 9. This is minus x0 is 1. This is 9, we know that. Times 2 8. This is minus value, so I'll make it minus x. And then 9c2 factorial 9 factorial 2 factorial 7. 9 times 8 over 2. 7 7. This 36 2 7. This is x square. 9. This is 2. 9 9 minus 2 7. So this is right. 9 and 8. This is divided by 2 4. So this is going to be 512 minus 2304x plus 4608 x square. Now we'll find f dash x. This is going to be 0. This is going to be 20304 plus this is 4608 times 2x1. So 16 to 9 x. So we'll write nicely this one. 92166 minus 2304